I ordered some. It's basically gonna be like a sample merchandise run to see how everything sells and see what does good or whatever. So let me go to
Right.
my orders. I already have. This is gonna be the black collection, and this is Broke Knock Life. So it's all gonna be like black T-shirts, black hoodies, black sweatpants, with the TV icon on it. Whatever. Whenever
Oh,
you're gonna,
right. Yeah.
yeah, it's not gonna be the one that you saw. And I'm probably gonna change the TV. It's probably gonna be something more updated and that looks better. But
You need to release a T-shirt with that graphic you sent me last night.
what graphic?
The one the with you, me, Gramps, and blanking.
Oh, dude, that would be. I'm thinking about putting that on posters, and I'm
On
thinking about
posters.
getting like a big poster for maybe like the back of this wall, or like so somebody can see it in either of our podcasts. But I think
Right,
people are
right.
gonna like if I get enough people fucking with that thing, then I'm gonna make it. But I got some face mask. I
Oh,
got some socks.
nice.
I got a coffee cup.
Oh,
I got some coasters.
oh, he got the coasters for the coffee cup.
Yeah, dude, you think I'm fucking playing around over here? This is broke knock life, bitch. We're weaving with Wes. We're beating our meat. We're going to sleep. The fuck
Oh
out of
yeah,
here,
bro.
pussy boy. Pussy
Oh yeah.
fucking. I'm gonna start fucking just cursing people out now. Just start fucking ranting like, "Fuck you! I hate all you, you fucking pieces of shit."
Buy my merch.
Uh, yeah, buy my merch, pussy. Um. Oh, and I got a hoodie and a beanie and some sweatpants. This is all
Solid,
like one
solid.
pair, one pair of each, just to see. And I have black shirts, and I have one purple sweatshirt. And eventually, we're gonna have all Weaving with West stuff on there too.
Hell
And
yeah.
you're not gonna get any of it. You won't see any of the fucking money.
I want one with just my face on it, and then
Dude,
that's it.
I can make dude, that will probably sell like a lot too. Like if you